All right, it is about 6:43, just about, and we're looking live right now at Sebago Lake, and you can see chunks of ice there freezing up. Boy, has it been cold enough to get a lot of the ice. You still got to check it, especially on the big lake there. This is from the town of Frye Island, right from the ferry terminal there. But temperatures coming in. Naples at 5 below, 2 below zero right now in the Portland area, and we're looking at 12 below up in the Greenville area. We're looking at conditions at 9 below in Waterville, 10 below in the Fryeburg area. So on the satellite and radar, look how big this storm is. Every once in a while, you guys know that I always say one thing about a snowstorm. It's the big show, and this is the big show. This is a big storm, a major winter storm, and you can see how huge it is across the United States, impacting so many places, and especially the major airports. So our total weather alert is really this afternoon. It really gets going Sunday night into Monday. We're looking at that major fluff factor. What does that mean? It just means the snow can add up. But because it's fluffy snow, peak wind gusts at 30, that's going to be blowing around. Not quite blizzard criteria, but enough to know that that's going to cause some whiteout conditions and drifts of snow. All right, snow arrival time. York County, it's between 12 and 2, 2 and 4 o'clock in the blue area, and the further east you go, you're at 4 to 8 p.m. start time. The winter storm warning in effect beginning at 1 p.m. to 1 a.m. on Tuesday for that heavy snow. Travel is going to be extremely difficult. Our 12-hour forecast, cold this morning, sub-zero wind chills. You're looking at 7, the high, not the high temperature, but at least the temperature at noon. And even when the snow gets going, we're still down around 10 degrees, and with the wind chill sub-zero. All right, let's go through it now. We have cloudy skies to start off the day. If you want to get some things done, you want to get out there and get the shopping done or any errands, you want to do it in the morning because they're in the afternoon, the snow really gets going. Again, Augusta and areas on the mid-coast, it might take a little longer for you guys to get in on the snow, but right about 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, the heavy snow has begun. We're looking at 1, maybe 2 inches an hour at times. You add that with the 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts, the fluff factor, it's going to be treacherous travel on the Maine Turnpike in southern Maine, getting to 95 to Boston. Boston could get 2 feet of snow out of this. So this is a real deal storm for the entire United States, but especially even here in Maine because it's revved up quite a bit. Now, as you get toward Monday, you're going to say, hey, this doesn't seem that bad, 7 a.m. Well, it's the lingering long duration event. We're going to start heavy with the snow, and then we're just going to taper, and it's going to just taper for a while, and we're going to just get scattered snow throughout the day on Monday. It might actually pick back up for a little while, but generally we're going to get maybe about another 3 inches of snow on Monday, but still you got to dig out from all this. All right, what do we got for snow? 8 to 12 inches north of Route 2. You get up to the county, you guys aren't getting much snow out of it. You're getting about 48. We got 18 to 22 inches of snow in southern Maine, including Biddeford. 18 to 22 inches in Kittery, Portsmouth. And the winds will pick up too. You can see about northeast winds around 7 a.m., around 30 miles an hour, flowing that snow around. So you have to factor in you're going to be out in the these elements and shoveling and snow blowing, and it's going to feel like 10 below. That's pretty rough. All right, so here's our 8-day forecast for inland areas. Temperatures are going to be cold all week, double digits below zero wind chills for many mornings. So you can see at the coastline, we have that total weather alert for all day tomorrow as well, but there also is a threat for blowing snow on Tuesday. This stuff is going to be just blowing all around, could cover roads again if you get a good wind gust with this as we head toward Tuesday. Jamie.
Okay, Ted, thank you. The time right now, 6:46.